Leonardo da Vinci, the great artist and inventor, is often remembered as a genius and true Renaissance man, but did you know that he was also a procrastinator? Yes, the man who painted the Mona Lisa, the Last Supper and the Sistine Chapel was notorious for putting things off. Leonardo's artistic talent was widely known and recognised, but his failure to deliver on contracts often overshadowed his work. The great artist was once contracted to complete a painting in 7 months, however it took Da Vinci 25 years to finish the Virgin on the Rocks, and the Mona Lisa, a relatively compact work, took the master almost 15 years to paint. He was also notorious for starting projects and never finishing them. Take for example his flying machine. He drew detailed plans for a device that could lift a person off the ground and into the air, but never actually built it. But despite his procrastination, Da Vinci was still able to accomplish great things. He once said, "Art is never finished, only abandoned," and this sentiment can be seen in the many works of art that he left unfinished. In the end, Da Vinci's procrastination didn't stop him from creating some of the most iconic works in art history. So the next time you find yourself procrastinating, remember that even Leonardo da Vinci was guilty of it from time to time. Want more interesting art facts? Hit subscribe.